Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope I find you well with a bit of ground frost in areas such as Henderson, Chipinge, and Buera. However, in Nyanga, there was no frost recorded because of a wildfire that started off over the eastern parts of the country in the parts of Manicaland area. We are still advise the public to stop starting any wildfires as this destroys our flora and fauna, and with the windy conditions this exacerbates the conditions that are there apparent. We had a bit of windy conditions and cloudiness over the southeastern parts in areas such as Cherezin to Beit Bridge, but the rest of the country was generally sunny and warm as seen here in our satellite image. We're still projecting generally sunny conditions for much of Tuesday, but as we get into Wednesday, we're expecting a drift of cloudiness over the southern parts of the country as well as on Thursday. So it should be cooler over the southern parts, but very generally warmer across board as our minimum temperatures are slowly rising across board, but still chances of ground frost, especially in the early morning hours and colder towards evening. But much of the afternoon is under warm to hot conditions. Weather is projected to rise up to about 32 as we get into Tuesday, but it cools down slightly over those southern areas as we get into Wednesday. Areas such as Matopo just being influenced by the windy conditions, but nothing significant in terms of cloud. Gwanda should have touches of cloud as we get into Wednesday, but as we get into Thursday, they slightly intensify as well, with temperatures just falling by about 1 degree Celsius. For where we were expecting minimums to be in the cool category, same for Masvingo as well, much warmer than it was in the past month. As we get into Nyanga, we're expecting warmer conditions as well, with a bit of cooling on Wednesday, as well as Marondo. We're expecting just a slight drop of temperatures on Wednesday, but the rest of the week promises to be much warmer. For Harare, we're expecting cooler conditions in the morning hours, but by afternoon it should be mostly in the warm category, and same for Kwekwe, we're expecting it to be hot by afternoon with generally sunny conditions. Kaloma also under influence of a northeasterly airflow should get mostly sunny and hot conditions by afternoon, whilst Chinhoyi starts off in the cool category, becomes warmer by afternoon. And for Victoria Falls, we're expecting generally mild conditions at first, becoming warmer as the day progresses. For Lupane, it should be hot by afternoon with generally sunny skies across board. And for Bindura, we're expecting just touches of cloud here and there, but nothing significant, giving us mostly hot conditions. For Kariba, also under hot conditions, just brief cloudy periods here and there, generally mild at first, becoming warmer as the day progresses. That's all for our weather and forecast. Been a pleasure, Zimbabwe. I'm James Kuma Jr. for the Met Department.